name is Eduardo Lugo with Aston Martin Avondale, and today we have the stunning Aston Martin DBX here with us. Aston Martin has been building cars for over 100 years, and this is the first SUV. It's definitely not a disappointment with this one. This is the largest grille that Aston Martin has put on any production car. Also at the front, you have the amazing Aston Martin badge, which is actually made by a jeweler. The DBX has the drive of the Vantage, and it's got the stopping power of a DBS as well. You have class-leading cargo space in the back as well, with 638 liters of cargo area. Looking at the interior, I mean, DBX is going to be all about the details. You'll see the stitching on the interiors. If you look down at the speaker grills, this is the first time that the speaker grills are covered in leather as well. So the DBX actually has a twin-turbo V8 engine making 542 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds. Really, that's what's gonna make it fun to drive. Like, at any point, just step on the gas. It's gonna be so quick. I mean, personally, I just love how fun, exciting, quick it is, but you have to experience it for yourself. So come out and visit us, and we'll be glad to show you around. Thank you for joining us.